Alright, so how to use the interface in your work area. When you first open Adobe Premiere, it's going to look like this. You'll see your old projects if you have old projects after a while, but probably it's going to be empty the first time. So just click on New Project. Once you click on New Project, it may take a second. Title it whatever project you're working on. So if we're working on Project 5, enable it to Project 5. Press OK. Don't worry about any of the other settings. And that's it. So now we got our library where we're going to store our footage. This is your timeline. This is where you're actually going to work and make your movie. This is where you're going to be able to preview your movie. And over here is where you're going to be able to control your clips and add special effects and titles and stuff like that. Okay, so the first things first, how do I import video? Well, there's multiple ways to do it, but you can start off by going to File, Import, and then you have a video folder that says stock footage or videos you've already created. That's fine. You're gonna go to that location wherever your videos, and you can press Import. But also another easy way to do it is go to where the videos you have and then drag and drop it. So right here I'll drag and drop this, just drag and drop, and there it is. There's my video. Okay, so notice how I clicked on my two different clips. I can see a preview over here. What I like to look at is my effects control. That's how I control my clip. So my left over here, this is where you're gonna create your actual movie. So I would drag and drop, left click, hold, and drop my videos to this timeline. So this is where my movie is. Let me do another clip. Swing curtsy, drag and drop it. That makes a different clip, right? So these are two different clips. But whatever you see, like this empty black space right here, that would be part of my movie. Okay, so I want to make sure that I don't have empty spaces, and this is where my movie is. Okay, all right, so these are my effects control. This is how I'm going to control like the size of my clip. You can see how I can make it bigger, smaller, and if I needed to rotate it, I could rotate it, left click it. So we're gonna have you experiment with this. Okay, but first things first, we're just learning the interface. So this is where your library is. This is how you do effects control, or you add special effects to your clip. This is your preview, and this is your timeline. Once you've built a movie, I want you to go to File. I want you to go to Export. This is how you're gonna actually make the movie and turn it in, and go to Media. You're gonna have to wait a few seconds. Something's gonna pop up. If it doesn't pop up immediately, try it again. Sometimes it just kind of crashes. You might have to do that multiple times. Go to File, Export, Media, open this time. There you go. So eventually this is gonna pop up. All right, we're gonna have to practice a couple times. The only thing you have to change is your format. You wanna do the one that says H.264. Once you have done that, you're gonna wanna title your project. So there's gonna be a blue highlighted word where it says Output Name. Click on that, change it to whatever project you're working on, Project 5. Also, you wanna have the location. You wanna save it to your video folder right here. So make sure you're saving it where? To a place where you can find it, and that's gonna be your video folder. Press Save, and that's all you have to worry about. From there, you're gonna press Export, and then it's gonna export to the location that you've created. And that's it.